What's up, everyone? So today we're out here, we're gonna be on the Dan River and we're gonna be smallmouth fishing again. I'm gonna be using a few different types of baits. I'm still gonna be using some of the same baits, but Dan River is not quite as big, not quite as big a fish to grow here, but there's still some really nice fish to be caught here. Hopefully we'll get into some of these smallmouth that are out here today. Start off, I think I'm gonna try that top water. I've already got a drop shot worked out on the spinning rod, and we got a nice day. A little bit of an overcast, so maybe that might help the top water bite, but either way, hopefully the river finally come down after a lot of rain. But yeah, so hopefully the fish will be biting. Should be good, fun, safe trip out here. So hope you stay tuned, enjoy. Hey Johnny, here, right side of the river. We gotta fish this pool right here. I can't tell. That's really a deep pool. They don't really look all that deep over there. Stop and fish somewhere. Oh, what is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, really nice one, Johnny. I know, I'm trying to get him. Oh. Son. I'll lock him on there for a second. Son, good. Ooh. I got a little spicy there for a second. I thought I was about to get flipped by them trees, and I had like a, I got like a freaking two and a quarter on. Dude, I thought that fish was a lot bigger than that though. Do what? Huh? It hooked up real hard. Oh dude, it hooked up really. Throw it next to that tree right there, dude. You might catch one. Oh my gosh. That's not bad smallmouth. Yeah, that's like a 2 all day. Look at that for the Dan River. Hey, that's the skunk anyway right there. Hey, well, I would say I'll get a picture of her, but I'll just get it off my GoPro. She's almost 16. Heck yeah. Almost 16 inches. Wow, good one to start the morning. Look at that. Ooh, dang, she wet me. Look, I got my anchor down, I'm still moving. It's flowing so hard. Hey look, knotty heads. Bunch of knotty heads. Ooh, that was a nice one. What? Knotty head. It's actually really nice right now. Look at it. This creek. There's actually quite a few fish up in here.
That'd be freaking hilarious. You caught like a 4-pounder out here.
Dude, it could happen. I've seen so much in fishing. It honestly, it would be crazy, but I wouldn't think it would be impossible. Something I've learned, there's not a whole lot of things that are impossible when it comes to fishing. There's a lot of things that are improbable, but impossible, I don't know. All right, so what we've actually done now is we've actually come back into this little creek. The river was super fast, and we actually kayaked our entire duration of our float in a matter of, what do you think? 45 minutes to an hour. I mean, it was just super quick. Didn't even take, I mean, it was just pushing us the whole time. I'd even had my anchor right there, and I even tried to stop and let it out and let it drag and let it catch. And I still fished a few other spots. If it wasn't for that, I probably wouldn't even got to really fish any spots very slowly. But man, it was just super swift. I really hope that maybe we'll be able to find some fish up this creek. But yeah, a lot of fun out there on the river still, even though I didn't get to do it as long as I wanted to. Still caught a super nice smallmouth. That was on the little spinner I was throwing, and I also just caught a little sunfish doing that. And so yeah, let's hope that maybe we'll get into some other fish up in here, and hope you stay tuned and enjoy. Hope I can do this. Look at this. Well, I was trying to do a little bit of creek fishing and try to catch some smallmouth. And I want you to look at this, guys, very closely. That right there is what I just caught. I just caught that fish like that. Just that worm and that little sunfish. He ate it like that. I did not put it like that. That is exactly the way he had it. Is that not something else? These little red-breast sunfish have the biggest appetite. Look at that. Oh, there's one more, guys. Ooh, come right off. Caught him right outside of the main river right here. Heck yeah, nice little sunfish. God bless you, buddy. All right, so we're about wrapped up here. The river was super swift. We didn't just have a lot of time to fish the holes like we needed to. Still was able to catch an awesome smallmouth, and we actually went up this creek right here and was able to catch several nice fish. If y'all like these videos, let me know, and I'll try to do some more kayaking videos. I really enjoy being on the kayak. Of course, whichever one. I mean, I love, you know, being on the kayak. It's really small, going to some tight, small waters with it. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'm really looking forward to doing some more river fishing videos. Hopefully we can capture or break that elusive smallmouth PB that I've been after. And thanks so much for watching. As always, make the best in life.